Hi, today I'm for the Vivo Y35 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the sound section. Here we can see media, ringtone, notification and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volumes we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side these blue dots. If you want to use the volume buttons to change the media or the ringtone, you should switch it just here. To use the audio booster, we should tap on this switcher. If you want to change vibration for calls by always to vibrate to never, or vibrate first and ring gradually, we should just do it by this way. Let's go back. Here we can turn on or turn off the notification vibration. To turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode, we should just tap on this button. If you wanna allow calls, notifications or apps from any people's apps or contacts, you should make it here. We can also change the add the shadow, the start and the end time of the don't disturb mode. So let's go back. To use the to pin the media player and to show media recommendations, we should click on the switchers to turn it on or to turn off this option. Let's go back. To change the phone, notification and alarm ringtones, we should just select tap on the section and select one from these available sounds, and in other sounds and vibration section settings we can turn on and turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sound, screen shot sound, touch vibration, and vibrates when the order partly answers hands up options. So just to turn on or turn off all of these options, we should use these switchers. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.